Time flies fast, and before we know it, we're already into the last quarter of the year. And just like every few months, new tablets have entered the scene. From powerhouse flagships to capable mid-rangers, there's something for everyone. So if you're looking to upgrade your daily driver for work, school, or just pure entertainment, and your budget sits anywhere between 15,000 pesos to 50,000 pesos, then this roundup is for you. Hello from the other side, CJ here, and in this video, we're checking out some of the latest tablets you can buy today. So, let's get right into it. Roll that intro. Let's start off strong with the flagship-level HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch, the 2025 edition. This tablet features a massive 12.2-inch OLED display with up to 2,000 nits of peak brightness, perfect for creatives and multitaskers. Powering it is a Kirin chipset paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. It comes with a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel front shooter for video calls. Connectivity features include 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, all running on Harmony OS 4.3. It supports the 3rd Gen M Pencil and packs a large 10,100 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging. Despite that, it's sleek, only 5.5mm thick and weighing 512 grams. The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch is priced at 49,999 pesos for the 12GB plus 512GB model. Next up, we have another premium option, the Honor MagicPad 3. It boasts a 13.3-inch 3K IPS display with a buttery-smooth 165Hz refresh rate. It's HDR Vivid certified and can hit up to 1,000 nits of peak brightness. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It features a dual rear camera setup along with a 9-megapixel front camera. You also get 8 stereo speakers, Honor Magic Pencil support, and the Magic Keyboard running on Android 15 with Magic OS. It supports Wi-Fi 7 and a large 12,450 mAh battery with 66-watt wired charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging support. The Honor MagicPad 3 is available for 49,999 pesos. Now we've got something built for gamers, the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3. It supports an 8.8-inch IPS display with 165Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness. Inside is the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Expandable via microSD. The tablet has a 13-megapixel rear camera with autofocus, a 2-megapixel macro sensor, and an 8-megapixel front camera. You also get stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and Wi-Fi 7. It runs on Android 14 and has a 6,550 mAh battery with support for 66 watts fast charging and bypass charging for those gaming sessions. You get all that power in a compact 8.8-inch form factor, weighing just 350 grams. The Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3 is priced at 29,995 pesos. Next up is Xiaomi's latest compact powerhouse, the Xiaomi Pad Mini. It features an 8.8-inch 3K IPS LCD with 165Hz refresh rate. It also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10 for great visuals. Inside, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, paired with an Immortalis 925 MC12 GPU, making it one of the most powerful small tablets around. You get either 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. It has a 13-megapixel rear camera capable of 4K video and an 8-megapixel front camera for video calls and selfies. The tablet also features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio certification. It runs on HyperOS 2 and offers dual USB-C ports, one for charging and one for data or accessories. Powering it is a 7,500 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging and 18 watts reverse wired charging. The Xiaomi Pad Mini retails for 25,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. Now, if you're looking for a balance between price and performance, check out the HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, the 2025 edition. It packs an 11.5-inch paper matte display and a 120Hz smart refresh rate. Inside is the Kirin T80 chipset with configurations up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. For cameras, you get a 13-megapixel rear shooter and an 8-megapixel front camera. It also features a quad speaker setup. It runs on Harmony OS 4.2 with M Pencil support and has a 7,700 mAh battery with 22.5 watts of fast charging. The HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 is priced at 21,999 pesos. Next up is Samsung's newest mid-range tablet, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. It comes with a 10.9-inch display and 600 nits of peak brightness. Inside, it's powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, also expandable via microSD. For cameras, it has an 8MP rear and a 5MP front camera, and has dual speakers tuned by Dolby. It supports 5G and Wi-Fi 6. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, it also supports the S Pen for note-taking and sketching. Keeping it juiced up is an 8000mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. The Galaxy Tab S10 Lite starts at 19,999 pesos for the 6GB plus 128GB model. And finally, let's wrap this up with the Honor Pad 10, which is the cheapest out of the bunch this quarter. It features a 12-inch 2.5K display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of peak brightness. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It has an 8MP rear and an 8MP front camera, along with a 6-speaker setup for immersive sound. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6, and it supports both a keyboard and a stylus. The tablet runs on Android 15 with MagicOS 9 and packs a 10,100mAh battery with 35 watts fast charging. The Honor Pad 10 is available for 15,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB configuration. And that wraps up our tablets ranging from 15K to 50K for the third quarter of 2025. From creative-focused beasts to compact powerhouses, it's safe to say we're spoiled for choice this quarter. No matter your budget or your workflow, there's definitely a tablet here that fits your setup. So, will you get any of these tablets soon? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful or informative, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Check us out on the socials, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and see YouGetTech.com playlist tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!